Now for the advanced stuff, the Docker Compose. So the Docker Compose is a Docker tool, and it is used to define and run multi-container applications. So with Compose, you use the YAML file or the yet another markup language. Now, actually, this is a language. It is easy to read, easy to write, and in the next lecture, we will handle the syntax of this language. Don't worry about that, even if you are beginner to it. Okay, so we will use this YAML file to configure the application services and create all the apps services from that configuration. Now, as you can see, think of Docker Compose as an automated multi-container workflow. Compose is an excellent tool for development, testing, CI workflows, and staging environments. So, according to Docker documentation, the most popular features of Docker Compose are like these: multiple isolated environments on single host, preserve volume data when containers are created, only recreate containers that have changed, variables, and moving a composition between environments, orchestrate multiple containers that work together. So if you can see this image, the Docker here is like this, which is a single container. Now the Docker Compose is multi-containers, okay? Well, don't get confused between the Kubernetes or Docker Swarm with Docker Compose, okay? All right. Now, in the next lecture, we will start handling the YAML language, the yet another markup language. And this, actually, you will see that, don't worry, it is very easy to read, to write, and it is human readable. So I will see you there.